Welcome back to the channel. Last time I removed some of the cooling system components in the front of the car, some coolant hoses, we removed alternator to get easier access. We also removed the water pump. Today we're gonna remove the rest of the system, meaning the radiator itself and the coolant reservoir, and start the process of cleaning those parts. We are also gonna clean around where the water pump sits so that we can get a good seal when we put the new water pump and the new gasket on. We are also gonna clean a lot of stuff around that area in the bottom of the engine. Now that a lot of parts are off the car, it's a lot easier to do that. So that's gonna be it for this video, I think. If you enjoy what you see, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps me staying motivated doing these videos for you guys. And if you have someone that needs to know these kind of stuff, please share the video, like it if you like the video. Yeah, you know the drill. But now, let's get to the video. I have now removed the radiator. It was not that difficult. I had this one bolt down there that was really tough to get out, so I had to cut it off. And the bolts that held the radiator in place up here were really rusty, and the bolts that held the cooling fan to the radiator, they were so rusty that they broke when I tried to loosen them. But anyway, here we can see the whole wetness of the radiator. It's hard to capture on video, but inside here there is like algae and yeah, it seems like it has been leaking for quite some time. So really good to be able to replace this one. Also got some new hoses, not all of them but some of them. So that's that. Also removed the holder for the coolant tank. It was located here, and you can see the cable for the hood release. It went through here in that hole, and it was drawn through that there and up to here to the hood latch mechanism, but I couldn't get the cable loose, so I just had to cut a small slot in here to get the cable out. As you can see, this is quite rusty, so I'm gonna take all the rust away and spray some rust prevention and some black paint on that part, also on this part and that part as well, so that we get some nice looking black stuff. So next up is to do a lot of cleaning here. As you can see, there is a lot of old oil, dirt, sand. Yeah, around here we need to be extra thorough with the cleaning, so that the gasket hole sealing the water pump gets a good seal. And we are also gonna put some paper inside here, so that we don't get any dirt inside the engine. So yeah, this is gonna be a lot of cleaning, but hopefully it will look really good when I'm done. So this is the main area where we're gonna clean, also alongside here, and hopefully we can get it looking close to new again. So after a bit of cleaning, this is the end result. it doesn't look new, but much better. And even here everything looks a lot cleaner. So now we are just gonna continue cleaning that area a bit, but I will do that off cam, and then we are ready to put on some new parts like the water pump and the radiator and stuff like that as soon as they arrive. So hopefully soon. Okay, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you like what you see, and if you have any suggestions or comments, write them down below. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. If you want to follow this project, consider subscribing to my channel. In the next video we are gonna put some new parts back on the car finally. So stay tuned for that, and I see you in the next video.